10 years later, iPhone battery, the percentage decreases as you keep using them. It's like that. So when you get a condition like that, and the person is having psychotic symptoms, you should understand that this type of psychotic symptom is the neurodegenerative type. So I will listen to Asabi on what he has to offer about the neurodegenerative kind of psychotic symptoms and how we normally approach it, so that I'll apply that. Then we have the delirious type. Now, delirium is more of an impairment in judgment, okay, and some other memory loss and other things. But these patients mostly also present with psychosis. This is where some classifications will tell you that it's from a metabolic disorder. Like there was a real illness in the body. In my local language, they will say when you're high fever. I don't know if any of you have heard it before. When you have an infection and it crosses the blood-brain barrier, it gets into your brain, it can make you have psychotic symptoms. So it's like that. A condition like thyrotoxicosis. Guys, do you know about thyrotoxicosis? Thyrostorm.
Yes.
You see that it's a pure metabolic disorder, right? Where the thyroid hormones have excessive thyroid hormones, or maybe after a surgery, the person's hormone kicks in, or the drugs that we give, then the person just starts having every metabolic activity in the body going up. Metabolic activities include respiration, digestion, elimination, everything and everything is part of the metabolic activities in the body. Everything go up high, including the pulse rate, BP, everything about. Okay, so this is mostly from a secondary type. Okay, maybe there was something that we this person. This person has a very noisy background, and the person has been unmuting himself. When the person unmutes himself and there is a noisy background again, I will mute him. I will mute him. This mute, if M is equal to 2, find S that type of mute some. Maybe mute 2 beer. What? All right. Okay, so we've seen the different types. You are mad because you are mad. You are showing symptoms of madness because your nerves are dying out. They are not coming anew. They are not refreshing themselves. Dementia type. You are having madness-like symptoms simply because you have a condition that has gone way above where it should be. Like in the case of cancer, it has metastasized to the brain. Atrasia. So you begin to do that. Now, let's go into what the psychotic symptoms in general are so that you can recognize that, oh, this is actually a psychotic symptom. We have what we call delusions. Delusions are, if my memory serves me, like false perceptions of nature. Okay. They are not true. What is reality to us, the ontological principles underlying that physiology or philosophy, you are not getting it. Yours is quite different. Some of them may involve what we call delusions, paranoid delusions, paranoid delusions. Now, with the paranoid delusion, you could see that the person has this sort of suspicion or fear about others' motive. There is another one that is very close to it, which is the persecutory delusions. Now, the difference between the two, the paranoid and then the persecutory is more of a religious word in origin, where people who portray some religious or carry some messages are being killed for the message or for who they are. Or if you are being pursued by some groups because of identity, because of whatever, you can describe that as persecution. The difference between the paranoid in my local language, I can say something like otain, or in simple language, paranoid simply means hatred. And this is, the hatred is just like what you think others are having towards you. But the persecutory has got a principle that makes it special, and that principle is harm. When there is an aspect or an element of harm, something that will really get to the body or get to your psyche deeply to torment you in a very different angle. Physical harm is mostly a cardinal thing. About 80% of the time is physical harm. So for the paranoid, Somebody can tell you, someone is following me, or my phone is being tied by